I know. Hey, well, we're making a shout out video. That's Ariana, and she don't want to be in this video, but I didn't want to be lonely. So
I'm just
yeah.
hold my hand like this.
Well, the first shout out go to my parents for bringing me into this world, and my dad who's yelling at me right now because I guess I didn't do dishes, but whatever. It's not like I care. Um, the next shout out goes to Valid for always being there for me, for being the sweetest person on earth. Like, you mean the world to me, boy. Shout out to Amen, my ex best friend, I guess. I haven't seen you in like years. Oh, shout out to Ariana, my best
You're
friend,
annoying.
black sister who lives at my house, literally. And I love your mom. I don't love you. I love your mom.
Okay,
I'm just
whatever.
playing.
I came from her.
And shout out. My mom's yelling too.
About
I don't know. And shout out to her boyfriend for
being her boyfriend.
yeah. Um let's see. Shout out to Amy Mon. You're cute. Shout out to how do you say that name? How do you say his name?
Dion.
Oh, Dion Andreas. Yeah, shout out to you, boy. Shout out to Cheyenne. I miss you so much, and I wish I could have came to Kentucky and tell Way I said I miss him, and I'm so sorry. Please and call me as soon as possible. And yeah, shout out to Win A. You're so adorable, and I miss you, and I wish I could have got closer with you in Fort Wayne when you was in Fort Wayne. Come back. Shout out to Jasmine Poma Joma Joma. So, what do you want to say about her? You love her?
I miss Jazzy.
Yeah.
And I love her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to Quan, you and your boyfriend Mango. You guys, it's almost 4 years. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Shout out to Raven. You're so adorable, and you and your boyfriend are perfect. And you like all my stuff, but that's what makes you cute. Shout out to Dom Dom. I miss you. Shout out to Destiny Porter. You're adorable. Shout out to Kane Lightner. I miss you, lover. And you always made me smile when I was at Northside. But yeah. Shout out to
For
Neon.
being gay.
Neon?
Yeah.
Shout out to Neon. You were never judgmental toward me. And even though all your little friends turned fake on me, I hope you didn't. But shout out to you. I miss you so much, love. Shout out to Nine.
Nin.
Yeah,
Nin.
Nin Ong, Nine Ong. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say your name properly, but you're really adorable, and I wish to get to know you more. Shout out to Chelsea. You and Jamar are perfect, and don't let no females come between you guys, and don't let no males come between you guys, which I know you won't. But
That's
yeah,
gay.
I love you. What's gay?
No males come between them.
Because a guy can try to get with her and
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shout out to D'Amber, my twin. You're an April Fool's baby. I love you. Yeah. Shout out to Brandon Sanders for turning fake on me. Shout out to Kyla. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to say your name. Kyla Marie for being my mom. Shout out to Edgar for being with Hussein for a long, long time. Shout out to Paul
Because you're cute.
Oh, okay. Anyway. Oh, it's sarcasm. Anyway, shout out to Paul.
No, I was talking about Paul.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you're my bestest friend in the world, and with her, we're like the three musketeers. But I'm speechless about you. Shout out to Julia. We were kind of close last year. Yeah, we were kind of close last year, but I don't know what happened. I guess people came between us, but whatever. Shout out to Kane Jackson. You know, ever since I came to New Tech, you were one of the few guys that I thought was the realest. And I've always wanted to get to know you, like, honestly, but we never got the chance, I guess. And you seem like a really amazing guy. So, yeah. And shout out to Brandon Johnson.
For flicking you off.
Yeah, really? But anyways, you and Mercedes are so cute, and I'm so happy for you that you're about to be a father of a beautiful twin daughters.
Aww.
I'm so happy. Shout out to Michaela Hernandez. You're pretty. Shout out to Thank Thank Tway. You're cute. Shout out to Shane Romanowski. You've always been here for me when I needed help with my homework, my rapping. I've always went to you, and so thank you so. Thank you so much. What's her name?
Brienne.
Shout out to Kim Steffens. I miss you, and we don't get along as much, but I miss you. Shout out to Brienne Royal. You're adorable. Shout out to Nico. We go way back, and I miss you a lot. Honestly, talk to me, hit me up, something. Thirsty girl voice. I'm sorry. Shout out to Morgan for. Shout out to you. Yeah, you're cute. You're cute. Really, you're cute. And don't get upset over a guy because it's not worth it. I've learned. Anyway, shout out to Elizabeth Hoffman. You're pretty. Shout out to Sahara. You're cute. Shout out to Jay Smooth. Shout out to Mariah Minnick. You're on my softball team. You're really good, and I hope to be as good as you one day. Shout out to Alicia. Yeah, you're really pretty. Shout out to Jenna Pfeiffer. Pfeiffer.
He is silent.
Okay, sorry. Shout out to you, Pfeiffer. You're really pretty. And shout out to all my haters and bitches and tricks and niggas and hoes. Okay, let me stop.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Say something.
Something.
Okay. Bye.